One of the biggest questions I get asked all the time is how do you know if a product is good to sell on Amazon? Stay tuned until the end because I'm also going to go over a few more questions I get about merchant fulfilled. Here's how I would evaluate if I want to sell this product on Amazon. I bought this product on Goodwill for $3.99. I first look at its keeper charge. There are 2 Amazon sellers in the listing and just 1 drop in the last 3 months. Based on this data, I will not sell this product on Amazon. I like to sell products that have at least 5 drops every 3 months. With RevSeller, I decide the pricing. Here I will put the buy cost and what price I want to sell the product for. RevSeller will quickly tell me what my ROI and profit margins are right on the Amazon page. Since there are just 2 sellers and the seller with the lowest selling price has only 1 product in stock, I will list my product for $31.99. To list this product on Amazon using Inventory Lab, click on Login, then log in into your account, then hover over List and click on List and Prep. Then click on New Batch. Name the batch anything you want and make sure your business name and address are correct. Select FBA or MFN for FBM under Channel. I'm going to choose FBM. Here you can either scan the product in through the UPC if you have a scanner, or just type the UPC number or ASIN into the search box in the upper right corner, then hit enter. One or multiple product listings will come up. Make sure that your product matches the listing exactly, then hit the select button for that listing. Now you're going to enter the quantity, your buy cost, and the sell price. Then enter your estimated shipping. We usually estimate $10 per product. Then hit the Add to Batch button on the bottom right. Make sure all the information is correct. Then hit the Review Batch button. Then Submit and Sync. If you want to import a buy list from Scorify too, you can click on the 3 lines on your batch, then select Import Buy List. Here I will answer a few questions I've gotten about merchant fulfilled. First question is, do you ship the item same day to customer to avoid any issues? We always try to ship the products as soon as possible. Usually that means we will ship the next business day. The earlier you ship, the less money you will pay. When you receive an order, it will tell you the time frame you have to ship the product out and when it needs to be delivered. Second question is, where do you send it? Through UPS? We try to send all of our orders through UPS because they tend to be the fastest and the cheapest. We also have chosen to ship to Hawaii, Alaska, and Puerto Rico. For these places, we need to ship through USPS because then it is cheaper, and sometimes UPS won't ship there at all. Third question is, how do you provide customer tracking? We buy all of our shipping through Amazon directly. We highly recommend that you buy the shipping from Amazon because it automatically uploads the tracking information and you have a higher chance of solving shipping problems from things like A2Z claims or chargebacks. And if you haven't done so yet, sign up at fulltimecommerce.com to get your free Getting Started on Amazon guide so you can get all the tools and software needed to run your Amazon business. And remember to like this video and subscribe if you want to learn how to make money online selling on Amazon. And comment below what's going to be your next goal to have a profitable Amazon business.